Discover the 15 coolest tools that go to the next level. Innovative gadgets designed to make work faster, smarter, and more fun. From high-tech multi-tools to smart measuring devices, these tools combine cutting-edge technology with practical functionality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, tech lover, or professional, these next-gen tools are guaranteed to impress and upgrade your toolbox like never before. Get ready to level up your gear. MAGPIE QUBE. The MAGPIE QUBE, $37.80, is a powerful 3-in-1 multi-tool that brings precision and versatility to any project. Combining an angle finder, level finder, and laser distance meter, it's perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. With a laser range of up to 164 feet and MAGPIE's technology for enhanced visibility, it ensures accuracy and efficiency. Its compact handheld design, USB-C charging, and support for multiple units make it an essential tool, backed by a 1-year warranty from MAGPIE Tech. RYOBI 18 Volt 1 Plus Pool Vacuum. RYOBI 18 Volt 1 Plus Pool Vacuum, $179, is a powerful cordless solution for cleaning pools, hot tubs, and spas. Running on an 18-volt 1 Plus battery, it eliminates the hassle of hoses and cords. It features a dual filtration system, 13 gallons per minute suction power, and a 1.7-litre debris tank for efficient cleaning. With an IPX8 rating, it's water resistant up to 13 feet. Use it handheld or with standard pool poles. Lightweight, versatile, and compatible with other 1 Plus tools, it's a smart ergonomic addition to your pool maintenance gear. OUDUBI Laser LAVEL. The OUDUBI Laser LAVEL, $63.99, is a professional-grade tool offering 360-degree projection, self-leveling, and high-precision performance. Designed with a shockproof pendulum framework and precision Axicon components, it delivers exceptional accuracy. Its overmold rubber housing enhances durability, while intelligent dual-core processing ensures stable and precise operation. Featuring a German millimeter light source, IP54 water and dust resistance, and a remote control, it's ideal for indoor and outdoor use. With safety class, 2 compliance, and long battery life, this laser level is perfect for demanding construction and renovation tasks. ARBORTECH ALLSAW BA200X. The ARBORTECH ALLSAW BA200X is a high-performance cordless masonry saw, ideal for restoration and demolition work. Priced at $1,349 US, it's powered by a DeWalt FlexVolt 54-volt battery, combining mobility with robust cutting power. Featuring a brushless motor and dual blade technology with orbital action, it delivers cleaner, faster cuts through brick and mortar. The quick change blade system enhances productivity, while the dust boot ensures superior dust control. With a 120mm cutting depth and ergonomic grip, it's perfect for precision plunge cuts and tough masonry jobs. SKIL Twist Screwdriver. The SKIL Twist 2.04V rechargeable screwdriver is a compact, versatile tool perfect for home and DIY tasks. Priced at $19.99, it features a pivoting head that locks into 3 positions: 0 degrees, 22.5 degrees, and 45 degrees for better access in tight spaces. With 3 torque settings, a forward-reverse trigger, and a built-in LED light, it's designed for convenience and control. The USB-C rechargeable battery ensures easy charging, and the included 28-piece bit set covers a variety of screw types. Its ergonomic design offers comfortable handling for efficient everyday use. HANDIBRU. HANDIBRU started as a simple idea from Whitman's construction and fibre optics background. Combine essential tools with a cold refreshment for hot workdays. Partnering with 52 Launch, he turned this concept into a market-ready product through expert branding, design, manufacturing, and marketing. Whitman describes the final result as really sweet, really nice, and clean. Now available on handibru.com, this innovative tool is perfect for DIYers and handymen alike. HANDIBRU proves that with patience, vision, and the right support, great ideas can become reality. Eight-tree DENCHECK. The 8-tree DENCHECK is an AR-assisted, one-click 3D dent mapping tool designed for maximum portability and precision. Completely cable-free, it delivers fast, accurate dent inspections right at the line, in hangars, on the tarmac, or during AOG, aircraft on ground situations. With OEM approvals and SRM compliance, it meets the highest industry standards. Its intuitive interface and real-time visualizations improve workflow efficiency, reduce aircraft downtime, and enhance reporting accuracy, making DENCHECK an essential tool for modern aircraft maintenance and structural inspections. RYOBI 18V ON+HP pruning chainsaw. The RYOBI 18V 1+HP pruning chainsaw 171.63 is a compact high-performance tool ideal for pruning and light limbing. Powered by ON+HP technology, it delivers up to 40% faster cutting when paired with an HP battery, sold separately. Its oil-free design ensures low maintenance, while toolless chain tensioning allows quick, easy adjustments. Part of the compact series, it's 41% more compact for better handling. The package includes an 18V 1+ battery and charger, shipped without retail packaging for convenience and efficiency. Perfect for homeowners and garden enthusiasts alike. BESSEY Street. The BESSEY STEE support tool, $35.20, offers powerful holding strength with a maximum load capacity of 3,500 newtons, 770 pounds, when fully retracted. Built with highly durable steel pipes and non-slip TPU contact surfaces, 9 by 7 centimeters. It ensures stable and secure positioning. Designed for convenience, it features a 2-component plastic handle with a pump mechanism, allowing for easy single-handed operation. Whether you're installing drywall, cabinetry, or working overhead, the BESSEY STE provides reliable support and control in demanding environments. MAGMASTER 5.2. The MAGMASTER V2, $29.99, is your ultimate third hand on the job. Built with a high-strength magnet, it securely holds heavy tools like sledgehammers, pipe wrenches, and more, freeing up your hands for efficient work. Easily clips onto belts, pockets, or tool bags, fitting belts up to 1.75 inches. It's safe for smartphones and perfect for tradespeople like electricians, plumbers, and carpenters. Assembled in Idaho, USA, this versatile tool holster features a rugged thermoplastic frame and is ideal for anyone looking to lighten their load without sacrificing functionality. Total knee pads. THKPTO2-01. The tough-built TBKP 201. Foam knee pads are designed for comfort, mobility, and durability. Featuring a unique rocker design, they allow smooth side-to-side movement while protecting knees on uneven surfaces. The foam fit design ergonomically hugs the knee and upper shin for even pressure distribution and all-day comfort. Built with abrasion-resistant 1680D fabric and a tough shatter-resistant cap, these pads offer long-lasting performance. High side walls reduce twisting, while EVA elastic straps stay in place without cutting circulation. Ideal for professionals needing protection and flexibility on demanding job sites. HILTINURON VC4X-22. The HILTINURON VC4X-22 is a compact yet powerful cordless L-class dust extractor built for professional job site performance. Featuring automatic filter cleaning, Bluetooth-enabled auto start, and a modular design, it offers unmatched flexibility. Easily switch between an 8-litre backpack or 15-litre wheeled setup to suit your workspace. Its strong suction and tool-friendly design make it ideal for collecting low to medium hazard dust. With options for 6-foot or 9-foot hoses and accessories like fleece bags, the VC4X-22 delivers reliable mobile dust control for construction and renovation tasks. MAKITA VS001G. The MAKITA VS001G, £1,786, 30 pence, is a high-performance cordless vacuum sweeper designed for industrial and commercial cleaning tasks. With an 800mm maximum cleaning width and compatibility with portable power packs, sold separately, it offers excellent coverage and mobility. It features 2-speed electric control, toolless attachment changes, and the ability to switch off the side brush and suction fan. Additional highlights include a filter cleaning function, anti-restart safety, and mode memory. It's also compatible with MAGPIE cases using a multi-adapter, making it a versatile and user-friendly cleaning solution. TBK 211. The TBK 211 $97 is a compact, rechargeable soldering station built for portability and performance. Ideal for electronics work, it heats up to 450 degrees Celsius in just 3 seconds and maintains constant temperature for consistent results. Featuring a detachable 3000 mAh battery, USB-C charging, and a 1.3-inch OLED display, it's both powerful and user-friendly. The unit includes an automatic dust removal brush, a multifunctional bracket for solder wire or fume extraction, and dual sleep modes for safety. With its 60-watt power and smart features, the TBK 211 is a versatile on-the-go soldering solution. RYNGO Sponge Wringer Machine. The RYNGO Sponge Wringer Machine, $523.93, is a professional-grade tool designed for efficient sponge cleaning. Its patented squirrel cage design agitates sediment before wringing, while solid nylon rollers extract maximum water for the perfect dampness. Built with stainless steel construction, it offers exceptional durability and longevity. Compatible with popular sponge types, it's ideal for a wide range of projects. A bi-directional switch enables forward and reverse operation, and the integrated safety switch activates on the bucket rim to enhance safety during use. A rugged, reliable solution for serious cleaning tasks.